My video guide today will help you to get rid of the new browser hijacker. Currently it is called seek4search.com. seek4search.com. As a hijacker, it performs a lot of illegal actions in your browser. First of all, it gets installed pretty unintentionally by people. It is quite unlikely that you'd make your personal decision to go to the page seek4search.com and make it the default homepage or the default search engine. Often this particular hijacker is spread through integration with some free applications. As I said, it would replace some browser settings, for instance the default homepage, the search engine, and even the new tab URL. So when you submit certain search queries, you may notice that somehow seek4search.com is in between. In my particular case, the results are delivered by Google, but often it happens that they are delivered by some other third-party search engine not selected by you initially. The majority of browser hijackers have got some spying features. They may collect some browsing-related information, and of course that's not a good thing for your privacy. I would recommend to get rid of seek4search.com immediately. There are several manual steps you could undertake. First step, of course, is to research your currently available applications and delete any entries that are not familiar to you. Sometimes the adware or the browser hijacker is among the list of these applications. So if you see some suspicious programs or applications, get rid of them. Second step is to go to the menu, click on More Tools, Extensions, then disable and delete any unfamiliar extensions you locate here. And finally, if you don't find anything suspicious but still your Mac functions in a slow manner, consider checking it with Combo Cleaner. You may go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, and then investigate the system with this tool. It will help you to detect any hidden infections, and in general, Combo Cleaner will help you to essentially improve the performance and stability of your Mac. So wait until the antivirus database is updated, then click on Start Combo Scan and let the program begin the detailed research of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and at the end of scan the program gives you the full report about the security situation with your Mac computer. So in the antivirus section you will see the total number of threats found. You may click on Review Results, so this will show you the exact names of threats and where exactly these threats are located. How to get rid of these threats manually? You may click on this icon that says Show in Finder. So this will show you its location in Finder. You may right-click on each specific threat and move it to the trash. You may do the same thing with all other threads. However, some threads can only be removed with Combo Cleaner Premium version, so consider purchasing this premium version to get your Mac fully cleaned and protected.